ikukulong kayo? Sino nagbalita? You mentioned mainstream, so that would be GMA, ABS-CBN. Pwede mong ipakita rito, preba na merong nagpalabas ang mga mainstream media na ikukulong kayo? Because I have not heard of any mainstream media saying about this supposedly na pagkulong sa inyo. Pwede mo bang ipapakita rito yung prueba, ebidensya, proof that this mainstream media has been saying na ikukulong kayo?
Yes, Your Honor. Pwede kong ipakita sa inyo mamaya kung gusto niyo po. Kasi na-screenshot ko naman po yan.
Sinong mainstream media ba yung sinasabi mo?
Can you just give me Radyo Mindanao Network? Tsaka meron pa marami pa akong nabasa kasi pino-forward nga po sa amin, sir, yung mga ganyan.
Baka hindi naman mainstream media yon. Because this is also social media personalities. I don't think
sir,
if it is a legitimate media outlet,
it is, Your
if
Honor.
it is a mainstream media, these are legit people. I don't think they will make irresponsible statements such as that.
Mr. Chairman.
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
Yes, Representative Baduano.
Anyway, with due respect to the statement made by Ms. Kiambao, ma'am, ganito kasi yan eh. Today's hearing will prove that indeed if it is true, no? At saka dokumentado po yung sinasabi mo, na kahapon o kagabi, may mga ganong report, it will be proven that it is not correct at it is not true. Kasi, hindi naman kayo kinontempt eh, unless in this hearing, you will violate our internal rules. Di ba? Now, hindi namin problema yun, ma'am. Kung may ganon, kasi you were invited for the past several invitations, that's why you were issued a subpoena ad testificandum. Ay siguro, ano mang media yan, baka interpretation nila, pag wala kayo dito, makukontempt talaga kayo. Now, ma'am, second, ma'am, yung sinasabi mo ngayon, yung news ngayon, you're now in the news. Okay?
Yes, and yesterday and
now,
today, yes.
And with regards to this hearing, nasa news kamo, and you were accused of being sa fake news, etc., etc. Ma'am, remember, you apologized 4 times on those issues. Na question sa iyo, and you apologize. And that's on record. Now, if it is true or not, and how it was delivered in social media or any media outlet, ay titingnan natin. But ma'am, sabi ko na nga, you were apologetic for the 4 questions that were issues that was raised against you. Di ba? Now, kaya dalawang issue dito. Question of contempt. Hindi naman kayo siniting contempt. Now, that will be the question of that media outlet's credibility. Kung ba't nila ni-report na makukontempt kayo, na hindi naman kayo makontempt. Sabi ko nga, hindi kayo makukontempt today unless otherwise. You will violate the internal rules of this committee. Malinaw po yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Diba? Well, in fact, itong hearing ngayon will prove that indeed you attended this hearing, and I'm very thankful for that. Kaya Tony Trexie, I'm very thankful for attending this hearing. But ma'am, ang sinasabi ko lang, yung mga news kagabi na iko-contempt kayo, now, ipoprove natin na hindi kayo na-contempt.
Yes,
diba?
Your Honor.
But question, again, question of fake news, question of you're telling something in your blogs, 4 na issue yun. Well, in fact, kinount talaga ni Chairman Abante, you apologize on those blogs that you have made.
Your Honor, yes,
Ganun lang po, that's on record.
Your Honor, I was just reacting po doon or responding doon po sa tanong ni Congressman Acop. Hindi ko po sinasabi at ina-assume na ganun po yung gagawin ninyo. Nirelay ko lang po sa inyo yung mga balita na kumakalat at kung paanong ang aming mga pangalan ay nasisira. Hindi po ibig sabihin na dahil sa inyo, kundi dahil dito sa mga nire-report ng mainstream or ng social media about us na nakakasira. Those are fake news.
Ma'am,
po ba?
that's why, ma'am, on the other hand, because you're attending this hearing, it only proves that you were not cited in contempt. Di ba?
Yes, and
You are exceptionated doon sa issue na pinalabas nila last night ba yun or the other day. Pero ngayon, yung lumalabas ngayon, again, I would just like to reiterate, yung lumalabas ngayon na fake news ka or etc. whatever, it was proven dito because you apologized. Now, it's up to them how to write the news or the item or whatever in their social media account. Bala sila. But ang sinasabi ko lang po, we are basing all based on facts dito. Well, in fact, yung reklamo mo kanina na parang na-insulto ka, sabi nga ni Chairman, I was the one who moved. Diba, to strike out the unparliamentary statement made by my fellow colleague, my fellow chair sa Quadcom. Kaya gusto namin ipakita rin dito na we are fair here, ma'am.
yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Chairman.
Again, sinagot ko lang po yung tanong. Hindi ko po gustong i-bring up ulit yung salitang yon sa akin, pero sinagot ko lang po ang tanong. Maraming salamat po.
Representative Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I go to Madam Crisette Chu?